Well, here we are, yet again. Had the car perfect. Doesn't look perfect right now. So, yeah. Okay. Yipes. What the fuck? All kinds of parts. That's what this guy does, eh? Never happy. Never happy. Beautiful weather outside, though. I'll take that. Yep, here we are. Million pieces. Well, that's what I do. So, couldn't get past that factory cam, man. I can't do it. I'm sorry. Car like this needs a lumpy idle. Don't give a shit. I don't care if I lost 100 horsepower, and I won't, I'll gain, but still, it just can't do it. So I'm going back. I got a better cam, well, a little bigger than what I had, and I bought a stall converter, and I'm gonna put we'll take a look here. Oh, brother, we're gonna put a shift kit in her. There's the old, I took the pan off, just draining the oil out. Probably gonna reuse the oil, and I'm not an oil reuser, ever. But I'll tell you what, this transmission oil was new when I did the shift shaft, when I had the transmission right apart, like a week ago, 2 weeks ago, I don't know, fucking not very long ago. And I put 18 kilometers on it up and down the road, and I'm thinking, 18 kilometers, I think I'll reuse it this time. Fucking transmission oil ain't cheap. I used to putting $100 or whatever, because Type F, it's not just plain old oil. So anyways, yep. Big cam, stall converter shift kit. And I got a transmission cooler and all that jazz. And why? Well, because I'm not very smart. Probably reason number one. And then the second reason would be because I'm not very smart. But I love playing. And here I am playing. I got nothing else to do this time of year. It ain't like we're going to drive it anywhere. So, let's play. I'll be back in a week or two when this is done. We'll add to this video and go from there. Wish me luck. Well. Here we are. That's empty. Excuse me. So, yeah, well, I was putting the cam in this, had everything apart and ready, and I was going to take tranny out to put stall converter in, and then it kind of dawned on me that, really, for what it takes at that point in time, like, and that FMX being cast iron, it's 160 pounds dry, probably close to 200 with some fluid in it, or with the fluid in it. I didn't want to wrestle that underneath the car, so I said, fuck it. Might as well pull her out, and I managed to get it out with the hood on. Didn't scratch the hood, didn't scratch anything. Maybe a couple, really light scratches on here, but I'll just touch that up. That's nothing too bad. But anyways, good grief. Point being, once you're that far disassembled to remove the transmission and do the cam swap, literally the only thing I had left to pull the motor out was the supports for the strut support, not strut supports, whatever they're called. I'm so bad at remembering this shit when I'm on the spot on camera. But anyways, that these gray supports here that go across there and there, I had to take those out. I had to do the ground wires, the starter wire, and the two motor mount bolts. And literally you just pull the motor out, and then I could just get it to a nice level height and just slip the tranny off you know? No death, no crushing by a 200-pound transmission, no broken ribs or arms or fingers. Yeah, I think it's probably worth it. So I got the converter out last night, brought it over. The guys are building me another one. So awesome. Here we are. Got my new cam in today. It was delivered. I already had all the rest of the parts. Everything else is ready to go. So we're in good shape. I got to wait for a shift kit to come in for the FMX. So, and I got to wait for the converter. So, it'll be a couple weeks. And we shall return at that point, whatever point that is.